Good afternoon. Today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about the United States Securities and Exchange Commission's Whistleblower program. The Whistleblower program was part of the July 21st, 2010 signing into law Dodd-Frank Wall Street Reform and Consumer Protection Act. That act set up, among other things, the Office of the Whistleblower. The SEC's Whistleblower program is a program that is designed to provide monetary incentives to individuals who report possible violations of federal securities laws to the Securities and Exchange Commission. A person who is an eligible whistleblower is entitled to receive a monetary award of 10 to 30% of the total monetary sanctions derived from any action that results from the information that they provide. Now, in order to be an eligible whistleblower, a person has to voluntarily give original information to the United States Securities and Exchange Commission that leads to the SEC bringing in action that results in an order of monetary sanctions in excess of $1 million. Now, $1 million may seem like a lot of money. However, we're talking about publicly traded companies here, and SEC commissions fines on companies that are engaged in securities fraud regularly exceed $1 million and can go up into the tens of millions of dollars and even higher. So the monetary incentive for the whistleblower is high. 10 to 30% of that award will be for an eligible whistleblower can be affected by certain things. One of the things that affects it is your compliance, or an individual's compliance with their company's internal compliance program. Whether or not you participate in that, report the fraud internally. Now, you might think that that might cut you off as a whistleblower, but in fact it doesn't. As long as you report to the SEC within 120 days of your reporting internally to your company, then you still are an eligible whistleblower. And in fact, it is one of the factors that the Commission uses in determining where you fall in that range of 10 to 30%. And your participation in your company's internal compliance program moves you further towards the 30% side than the 10% side. On the other hand, if you don't participate in that, the scale moves the other direction. Things that can drive down your award or cut you out altogether would include frustrating that internal process, failure to participate in it at all, or participation in the fraud itself. Those would be the things that can drive you down in that award. But again, the monetary awards here for whistleblowers are quite high. Obviously, the minimum, if it's only 10% at $1 million, we're talking about a minimum award of $100,000, and it can go up from there, and the sky's the limit, really. There are rules, though, that apply to whistleblowing and how to enter the program. It is all confidentiality of the informant is always a concern. Dodd-Frank sets up rules that prohibit retaliation from employers, but oftentimes, and in fact quite often, people like to report anonymously. The important thing you need to know about that is, in order to be eligible for the whistleblower program and eligible for a monetary award, if you report anonymously, it has to come through your attorney. So, if you know anyone who has a potential whistleblower claim, or if you yourself do, please give us a call here at Parnham & McWilliams, and we can help navigate you through this process.